a company decides to erect a radio mast ARA to provide mobile phone signals to the 3 villages A, B, and C, ARA must be equidistant from B and C and no more than 6.5 kilometers from A. Construct the locus of possible points where the mast could be located, and the scale is 1 centimeter, represents 1 kilometer. So let me show you the map of the 3 villages, village A, B, and C. So you want to construct the possible position of the mast, radio mast, which will service these 3 villages, being guided by the following conditions. That ARA, which is the radio mast be equidistant, that equal distances from B and C, and no more than 6.5 kilometers from A, using a scale of 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Okay, so we are being told here that ARA must be equidistant from B and C. Okay, so first of all, we open a suitable radius and then go either to B or C. In this case, I have chosen C as my center. The suitable radius must be longer than the midpoint of BC. Okay, so now with the C as my center, I'll construct an arc here and another arc here. I want to construct a perpendicular bisector of BC, okay, to satisfy the given condition, which says that ARA must be equidistant from B and C. Now, without changing the radius with B as my center, I'll construct an arc which meets this one and then cuts also this one, so that I can draw the perpendicular bisector of B and C, so that I can satisfy the condition which said ARA must be equidistant from B and C. Now the next step is to join the points of intersection of the arcs. Okay, with draw a straight line which passes through the points of intersection of the arcs. Okay, so that I can draw the perpendicular bisector of B, C, like that. Okay, now we are told that this ARA must be no more than 6.5 kilometers from A. Okay, so being guided by the scale of 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer, 6.5 kilometers will be represented by 6.5 centimeters on the diagram. So I'll measure the 6.5 centimeters using the ruler and the pair of compasses. Okay, so you can see that's 6.5 centimeters, representing 6.5 kilometers. Okay, so now with A as my center, I'll draw a circle with A as my center and a radius of 6.5 centimeters, which represents 6.5 kilometers according to our scale. Okay, so the positions of the mast ARA will be the points of intersection of this line and the circle. Okay, so the 2 possible positions of the mast ARA will be this one, where this line meets the circle. Let me call it ARA1, and the other possible position of the mast will be this one here, where this line also meets the circumference of the circle, so I'll call it ARA2. Okay, so thank you for watching. Meet you in the next videos.